So today we're going to do the leg press. First thing is hopping into the machine. Once in the machine, grab the locking handle onto your right hand side and push down until the seat unlocks. You can then adjust the seat. Once you find the comfortable position, bring the handle up and it should lock into place. Again, take the handle all the way down until the seat moves, move until you're in a comfortable position, move the handle up into the 1 o'clock position, it will then click and lock off. Once in this position, put your feet into the top corners of the machine and push through the heels. This is then going to emphasize the exercise onto your glutes and your hammies. Pushing all the way through, don't lock out the knees and coming all the way down. Some variations on this machine are the hack squat. That's when you move the back all the way down to a retracted position, put your feet closer together and push on the balls of your feet. This will now change the emphasis onto your quads and away from your hamstrings and glutes. Still push all the way through, don't lock out the knees, come all the way back down. Another variation is the one-legged leg press. Pretty self-explanatory, using one leg at a time, making sure you're still pushing off that heel, changing feet each set. Another exercise you can do on this machine is the straight-legged calf raise. That's putting your balls of your feet down to the bottom of the plate, hanging your heels over the bottom, bringing your heels all the way up and retracting them all the way down in the full stretch. So thanks for watching our exercise with the leg press. Any other exercises, please comment below, subscribe to our channel, find out how to do other exercises, and let us know what you want to do next. Thanks again.